Alright, welcome again to our new video. Yeah, this is just another method that I use on how to fix no SIM or no SIM card installed. In the last video, I showed another method how to solve this problem. And that video, I used women's uh, pads when they are using what they are using when they are having menstruation. But in this time, yeah, we are using different kind of methods and different kind of sticky thing, like this kind of tape. Yeah, this is, maybe you have this at home, electrical tape, and you can actually uh, use this. Yeah, in the beginning of this video, I showed you that you see that it's no matter how I put the SIM card in, it's still no SIM card. And now I use this kind of tape, electrical tape, and yeah, you just stick the other side to the tape so that it's easy for you just to cut it on. Yeah, here is cut it, and just try to cut in the side and in the side. I think yeah, you have to cut it uh, or nicely as possible, so that there's not so much uh, so that it's not so wide, in so much wider as the SIM card, and maybe we might have, it might stick also, or might become so big. But this time I think this is perfect. Look at this is yellow, and let's try to put it in here, and let's have to stick again into the phone. See, this is no SIM card, no SIM. And let's see, 1 2 3, no service. Yes, that's good sign. And then, come on, yes, I got it. See, it works. In this way you can use this kind of method also. And let's take it out and let's put it again. Let's try again. Maybe we were just lucky, but now let's try again. No service. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Come on, 11 12. No service. 13. Yes, 13. Wow, it took a while, but let's just see it works. Yeah, and you can actually use different kind of tapes. Yeah, different colors, it doesn't matter, and it all the same principle. You can, whatever you have at home, yeah, just choose. I think if it's thinner, it's fine. I mean, that's better. Let's try again. Put it in. No SIM, no service. Oops, no service. Come on. Oops. Yes. Yeah, it works. Yeah, I tried it multiple times. You see now it works out, and I hope it is also working good for you. Yeah, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know. I really love to hear your comment and to hear your suggestions. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Bye.